This Brother P-Touch LabelMaker is pretty amazing. It's very tiny, like literally smaller than my hand. I'm going to show you just a quick couple features. You turn it on. Let's say we want to write hi, space, hi mom, okay? And then when you hit print, it's going to print out here. You use this little button right here to chop it off. There you have it. Hi mom. It's really great. It comes with all the symbols that you would have on your phone. It comes with the numbers, different fonts, different sizes. You can do spacing, different width of spacing. Like I said, different fonts, different sizes of the fonts. It's really great, super easy to use, very user-friendly.